Hello, it's Peggy from Peggy's Plants, and today I'm diving into a Home Depot big box plant shopping tour. I'm on the hunt for budget friendly houseplants, rare gems, and some leafy inspiration to add to my indoor collection. So let's see what there is to see. And right here we have some philodendron. They are $15.98, but it does not say specifically which kind they are. And there's so many philodendron out there with the red petioles, so I don't want to venture and guess, but I think it's a really nice looking plant. And as you see, they are from Vigoro, which is a division of Costa Farms. So just so you know that, I didn't realize that until recently. Look at this beautiful calathea, absolutely gorgeous. 15.98. The Vigoro plants are a little less expensive than the trending tropicals, as you see here, 15.98 versus the 19.98. Love, love, love this ficus. I find here in Central Florida, my ficus do much better outdoors than indoors, and they're out there year round and they do just fine and they get really big. This is a philodendron Shangri-La. You see these odd looking leaves. It's variegated. $19.98. I think I'd pass because we've got a lot of rain and it's waterlogged. Might have some root rot. I'm very excited to see this philodendron Florida Ghost. It must be new to the Trending Tropicals collection. I've not seen it. I love the Florida Ghost. I like the way the leaves come in when they're new, a bright yellow, then they turn green, and this plant also has fuzzy petioles. This is the ZZ Chameleon. It's another plant that has the leaves that come in yellow and then go green. This is the Stanleyana albo. Nice, big, healthy looking one. Looks like it could use a little water, but looking good. Or maybe it's had too much water. Who knows? The weather has been pretty rainy here. Trying to respect people's privacy, so I am tilting my camera down. And this looks like a Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. If it is, it's a very mature one because the leaves are so large. I've never seen one with leaves this large. Okay, yeah, for a second I thought it might be a Baltic blue because it has the larger leaves, but very nice. And this plant, I can never remember the name of it. I don't know what it is. I don't particularly care for it. It just does nothing for me. But I'm sure there's some people out there who absolutely love it. And it's a nice full pot, and they are $20.98. And let's see, is there anything else different over here? Nope, just your typical pothos and like that. I always look for these green shells in Home Depot because they have some good plants usually at a good price, like this full pot of Adansonii for $14.98. That's an excellent price. Some pothos, Dracaena. Yeah, I think the Adansonii was the best thing over here. Okay, let's keep looking. Some pineapple plants, which are actually bromeliads. And let's see what else. Some corn plants. Okay, here we go. Look at this ficus Taniki, and it's a nice size one. How much is it? It is $39.98. Don't usually see them that large here in the big box stores locally. And over here we have a white bird of paradise. Is it a white bird? I believe it's, yeah, white bird of paradise. And oh, big money tree, corn plant, just a little of everything here. And another really nice looking calathea, some crotons. I love crotons, as you know if you've been following me. All that color that they add to the landscaping. I am needing some more in my life, actually. Some aglaonema, fiddly fig, 26.98. Yeah, prices have gone up a little bit on plants, just like everything else right now, but not bad. 1990, I mean 39.90. I was going to say 19.98. That's a good price, but no such luck. Lots of sales. Those palms are 14.98. some alocasias for $16.98. They're a good size. That's not a bad price at all. And yeah, these palms right here for $14.98 on sale. I mean $14.88. There's a lot of things that have been marked down. A lot of the pots have been marked down. So okay, some cordyline or Dracaena, $14.98. And what is that? My goodness, some kids in here playing. Anyway, it says it's a pink princess. I see some faint areas with pink, but okay. It's pretty though. And here we have some Monstera Peru and another cutie ficus, some Diphyllobokia. And let's see. Oh, look at this. It's falling over in the pot. It's so big. I love the petioles. Oh my goodness. The colors on this are so pretty. A philodendron white knight. Wow. I really love the colors on this plant. And let's see. This looks like a painted lady. Yeah. These are really big. Look at the size of these. And here we have a little fiddly fig. Ponytail palms. Yeah, those are cute. They don't do well inside for me. They're another plant that I like to grow outdoors. Another calathea. I had this one. It got so big and beautiful that it tanked. $29.98. I'm not going to be sucked in by this plant. I really want it though. And this is a cute ficus. This is really cute. Leaf Joy. They have a lot of plants in here today. I love the variegation on these. Okay, we have some cute little alocasias, $19.98. Remember when Leaf Joy, it seems like they used to be cheaper than all the rest of the plants. But they definitely have some beautiful alocasias in here. And these plants look really good. I mean, they look really good. And then over here on the other side, they have a lot of little Hoyas. As you know, I'm not a big Hoya person. I do have probably 5 or 6 that I really, really like. And I'm trying not to get into Hoyas because I have enough plants. I have too many plants. But this one, oh, this is really nice. I need to start looking at these. Um, but I've never seen so many Hoyas in the big box stores here. These are $8.98. Proven winners. Yeah, just a whole little selection of Hoyas. And I mean, these are decent sized plants. I like plants about this size so that I can take them home and they acclimate and they grow large in my house. Oh my goodness. This one is beautiful. Oh, look at the splash on it. Freckled splash. I wonder if that's actually a name or you all who know Hoyas tell me. Because I know a lot of the growers, for some reason, they give them little cute names, but it's not really the actual name of the plant. So is that what's going on here? Oh my goodness. See, I really love the plants that have a lot of splash on them. This is another plant I'm always drawn to when I see it. This calathea just doesn't look like a typical calathea. The leaves are narrow and ripply, and the burgundy on the back. Gotta love it. In 1998, not a bad price. Moving on to one of my favorite plants is the Philodendron tortum. I love this plant. It's so different looking. And look at that, from $19.98 to $9.88 for the 5-inch ceramic pots. What a great deal. And over here, another pink princess with a lot of white, more white than pink. Well, that's about it. I don't want to go on too long. So please like and subscribe and let me know what your favorite plant is in this video. What would you have bought? Stay well, take care, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.